Got Herbie all polished out for you.
Carol Bennett called back. She's going to pick me up in the special.
You mean you're not taking Herbie? He's looking forward to some relaxation just like you are.
The car's... See you later, Tennessee.
Some thanks after what Herbie did for you. Don't let it get you, Herbie. Jim didn't mean it. Don't forget, he isn't the first guy ever to lose his head over a bucket seat in a paint job. He'll come to his senses.
Good evening.
Sorry, the other rats are out for the evening.
No, please. I didn't come by to see Mr. Douglas. I just came by to pay my respects to that gallant little car.
Huh?
There it is. What a marvel it is indeed.
I don't get you, fella.
Oh, come, sir. I know a rare bit of machinery when I see one. And after all, who should know it better than I? I, who have been trounced time and again by this paragon. You will forgive me for saying so, sir, but it does take class to know when it has been defeated by class.
You know something, Mr. Thorndyke? I may have misjudged you.
Well, thank you.
I've been misjudging a lot of people lately. Would you like a drink? Some Irish coffee, specialty of the house. My own mother's recipe.
It's very kind of you. I'd love it. Thank you so much.
I'll be back in a jiffy.
Well, it's most kind. Thank you so much. It's just incredible, isn't it, to think that this innocent-seeming object is capable of such great deeds. How indeed.
The trick is always remember to have asbestos gloves when you make coffee this way.
Fascinating, yes. It's quite fascinating.
Here we go.
Oh, very refreshing. Oh, thank you.
Up the Irish.
To the little car, a gallant adversary, and may the best car win at Riverside.
May the best car win.
Yes. Oh, it's very good, isn't it? Very good indeed.
Like it?
What do you think?
I can't stand that hungry look any longer. Take over.
You know what I said to myself the first time I saw you?
What?
I said to myself, now there's a real lady.
This is how it ought to be. Me and these kind of wheels.
Excuse me asking, but aren't you doing all right with the little car?
Sure. But can you imagine how I'd make it with equipment like this?
Is it so important to you?
Without a real car, I'm only half a man.
What part of Ireland did you say your mother came from?
Coney Ireland. I'm gonna make some more coffee.
Oh, do you like a spot of this?
I like a spot of anything.
I'm so sorry.
Now we're gonna drink to Herbie. Greatest little car in the whole world.
That's quite right.
Mm-hmm.
Here.
To Herbie.
To Herbie, I'm so sorry about your hand. Do apologize. Herbie.
What do you know? The engine stalled.
How about that? Door's stuck. That's how it is with cars sometimes.
Yes.
Guess we'll have to wait and see what happens next.
Well, as someone very wisely once said, that's how it is with cars sometimes.
I just said that.
Oh.
I wonder if your reputation is altogether true.
What's my reputation?
I've heard that Jim Douglas is only interested in fast cars and easy money.
Not true.
No.
Mm-hmm. You know something else?
What?
When the light hits you just right, you're as beautiful as General Grant on a $50 bill.
You want to know the secret of the little car?
I do indeed.
I'll tell you the secret of the little car.
No, just a minute. Right. Tell me.
It's heart. That's what it is. Heart.
Heart. Yes, well, I'm certainly going to make a note of that.